Your brother is suffering because you allow Satan to come. Your sister is suffering because there's no love in you. You always smile to people. You always smile with people. Physically, people think this brother is good. This sister is good. You do good physically, but inwardly, within you, there is hatred. Within you, you don't like them. Within you, you don't love them. But physically, you pretend as if you like them. You pretend as if you love them. You pretend as if they are yours. You pretend as if you care for them. But secretly, then you are killing the person behind. Then you are killing the person behind. And when the person falls down, then you come back and say, oh, my sister, sorry. My sister, sorry. God will provide. God will provide. God will provide. How can God provide? People pretend as if they like you. People pretend as if they love you. But inwardly, they doesn't like you. But if you are here and you smile to somebody, you smile at people, pretending as if you like them, pretending as if you love them, and inwardly, within you, you don't like them. You better change your mind. You better change your mind. Because if you don't allow your person to have 100 euros, you can never get 1,000. If you don't allow your friend to get 50 euros, you can never get 100 euros. You can never get 100 euros. So it is better you allow your friend. You help your friend from your heart, within you, from your mind. Help the friend, love him. If you pretend as if you are Christian, you love God, and yet you hate your brother. My brother is a lie. My sister is a lie. Hello? Let's go to the Bible and see something.
So because
First John chapter 4 verse 20. First John 4:20.
John 18:9
He said, if anyone says, I love God, yet hate his brother, he is a liar. For anyone who does not love his brother, who he has seen, cannot love God, whom he has not seen. You have never seen God physically. You have never seen God physically. If you open your eyes, it is me that you are seeing. It is the friend sitting beside you that you can see. It is the person sitting behind you that you can see. And if you say God that you haven't seen, you love God. You haven't seen God physically, but if you say you love him, that is why you are here. And the person you have seen sitting close to you. And if you don't love that person, my brother, you are not a Christian. You are not a Christian. If you don't love your neighbor, you don't love God. That means that you are not a Christian. So what will make you a mature Christian? What will make you a mature believer is for you to love your neighbor. For you to love your neighbor. Do not gossip about your neighbor. Stop troubling your neighbor. It's to care for your neighbor. To love him. Stop backbiting. So see, because of this man, I will not come to church. Because of this brother, I will not do this. Because of this, I will not go to church. Hello? You lie back. You lie back. Say, I will love my neighbor. I love you. Give somebody a high five. Give somebody a high five. So I love you too much. I love you, my brother. I love you too much. Hallelujah. Not because you are smiling now. That you love your neighbor. You love that sister. And the moment you get home, so this sister is so wicked. This sister is so wicked. Love your neighbor as yourself. Hello. Listen, let me tell you this so that it can enter your spirit. If you don't allow your neighbor to have even €1, you can never get €2. You can